Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make an Irish coffee. So I start out by brewing a pot of regular drip coffee, your choice on the kind of coffee you use. Now that that's done, let's build our drink. We'll start off with a teaspoon of brown sugar and then pour our hot coffee over it. Be sure to stir it up really well. Alright, so for the fun part, I'm going to add just a tiny splash of vanilla. This is optional. Then I'll be using about an ounce of Jameson Irish Whiskey. So you're going to want to leave a lot of room on top for the whipped cream. You're going to drink the coffee through the whipped cream. It's going to add a touch of sweetness and contrasting hot and cold temperatures. And that's it. That's my simple Irish coffee recipe. Please drink responsibly. If you like this video, like and comment below, and consider subscribing for more coffee videos. Cheers!